How to pay the initial asylum fee in immigration court. Hi, this is a video by ASAP. In this video, I will explain how to pay the initial asylum fee in immigration court. If you are submitting a new asylum application in immigration court, you need to pay an initial asylum fee. This video is for people who have a case in immigration court. If you are applying for asylum with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, this video does not apply to you. You can find more information about the USCIS initial asylum fee and other immigration fees at the link below this video. If you plan to apply for asylum with the immigration court, pay the initial asylum fee before you submit your asylum application, and include the receipt with your asylum application. If you do not do this, the immigration court may reject your asylum application. Before you start, you will need, first, your A number. An A number is an identification number given to many immigrants by the U.S. government. You can find your A number on documents from USCIS, ICE, or the immigration court. ASAP's website has sample documents that show where to find your A number. A link is below this video. Second, you will also need a credit card, debit card, or U.S. bank account. How to submit your payment. To pay the initial asylum fee, go to the immigration court payment website at epay.eoir.justice.gov. You can also find this website linked in the caption below. You may get a pop-up box with a disclaimer. To continue, scroll down and click I accept on the bottom. Next, for filing type, select the option that says Court Form I-589 Initial Application Fee for Asylum and for Withholding of Removal from this drop-down menu. Once you make that selection, the system will show you the fee amount. Then, enter your A number in the box that says A number. Click on Pay Now. Then, click Yes to verify your A number and continue. You will then see a disclaimer pop-up box that tells you that you will be redirected to the pay.gov site where you can finalize your payment. Select OK. Click on Pay Now. Here, select whether you want to pay using your bank account information or using your debit or credit card. For this example, we will use a debit card. Click Continue to move on to the next step. Next, complete the payment information, starting with the cardholder's name here, the billing address here, and the city here. Select the country where the billing address is located from the drop-down menu here. Then, Select the state or province here and type the zip or postal code here. Enter the full card number here. Select the card's expiration date, starting with the month here and the year here. And finally, enter the security code here. Click Continue to submit your payment. Save your payment tracking ID and receipt. Once your payment has been successfully submitted, you will see a screen showing your A number and tracking ID. Write down and save your tracking ID. This is very important. You will need it if you want to access your receipt later. On this screen, click on Download Receipt to save or print a copy of your receipt. Here's a sample of the initial asylum filing fee receipt. You will need your receipt to submit to the immigration court with your asylum application as proof that you paid your initial asylum fee. Submitting your asylum application and receipt. When you submit your asylum application to immigration court, include a copy of your initial asylum fee receipt with the application. If you do not show proof of paying the initial asylum fee, your asylum application could be rejected. Please visit ASAP's webpage for more information on how to submit your asylum application to the immigration court. This website is here and linked below. You can also find up-to-date information on asylum fees linked below. Thank you for watching this video and for being part of the ASAP community.